The silence within is not empty. It is full of intelligent, loving presence. You are not an accident. You are a necessary part of the cosmic whole. The difficulties you face are not to stop you, but to develop your resilience. Your authentic self is the greatest gift you can give the world. The love you seek is a mirror of the love you are willing to be. A life well lived leaves a gentle, positive imprint on the world. You belong here as much as the air and the sunlight. The future is a field of potential seeded by your present actions. Your scars are sacred text, telling a story of survival and strength. The ultimate adventure is the journey back to your own true self. You are a channel for divine creativity. Let it flow through you. The peace you crave is the essence of who you are before thought. Your value is a constant, untouched by circumstance or opinion. The most beautiful souls are those polished by life's challenges. You are a vital note in the human symphony, essential to the harmony. The light you carry can dispel darkness simply by being present. A passionate life is one lived with an open and engaged heart. Your inner guidance is always communicating. Learn to listen. The love that transforms the world is a fierce commitment to good. You are a living link between generations. Choose your impact wisely. The stillness you long for is your own true nature. Your potential is infinite, but your time is precious. Use it well. The most significant shifts happen in moments of quiet surrender. You are a one-of-a-kind expression of the divine. The healing of the world begins with your own healed heart. Your life is a sacred conversation. Learn to listen for the replies. The bravery to begin again is a profound form of wisdom. You are a lighthouse. Shine your truth, but don't drown, saving others.